Hello guys, how are you? Today is very exciting day because Figma's release 4 update on frame. We're gonna see all of them step by step. Stay tuned with me. The first one, press F and click any area around this canvas. As you see, it places this frame around 0 dimension. So this is the first release. The second one, when you generate any frame as you preferred and click F and press any area, it will automatically generate the same as the previous frame. This one also the second release. The third one, click any frame you want and press F, hover on this blue button and press it. As you see, it will generate automatically the same as the previous one. The fourth and the last update, click any frame you want. To see the difference, fill it with the color. Then click F, hover on this blue button and hold Alt, then click. As you see, it will generate automatically the same frame without its content.